may not happen. So focus kami doon sa paano ipresenta sa publiko itong mga allegations na ito at itong mga articles of impeachment.
Kong Z, ako po si JC Cosing from TV5. Sir, yung thoughts nyo lang po doon sa panel, doon sa proposal on allowing online participation doon po sa impeachment trial and possible remote voting?
Una, I think nasa Senate, I don't know if they have already adopted or tried to amend the Senate rules of impeachment. Pero ang pagkakalam po namin, physical dapat yung presence ng mga huwis. Even if the regular court proceedings, ang mga huwis ay nandyan because it is indispensable to arrive into a fair judgment for a senator on the merits of the case without having to physically evaluate and examine the evidences and to direct cross-examine witnesses who would be in the witness stand. So, kailangan po, para sa amin, kailangan po talaga na physical yung presence ng ating mga huwis na senador. For us, for the public to be able to at least derive from their own conclusion the way they have seen the proceedings na fair at talagang tapat yung naging performance ng ating mga senador at huwis.
Same question po for Sir Cleve. To Sir Cleve po.
I think from the perspective siguro ng public na it would be a disservice to their duty as senator judges, no, kung hindi sila magpa-participate physically and fully doon sa impeachment trial. Tandaan natin na una, gustong-gusto ng taong bayan na makita yung impeachment trial, magiging nakatutok at they have to be there to fully understand everything para magawa talaga nila yung duty nila to assess whether to convict or acquit the Vice President.
Meron lang ako idadagdag, no? I think, naiintindihan naman natin that the impeachment process, the impeachment trial is a sacred duty, especially for the senators, to try and decide. So, napaka-importante ito. This is not just an ordinary legislative function where po pwede kang mag-Zoom o po pwede kang mag-remotely vote, no? Ito, pinag-uusapan dito, accountability ng isang impeachable officers. So, I think by on that basis alone, that this is a sacred duty to not to be able to be present all the time is an indication that you are not taking seriously your sacred duty, which resonates negatively to the public.
Dahil lang po siguro yung taga TV5 na tanongin kay Director tungkol sa online voting. Na-sense ko ang gusto nang itanong ayaw nyo bang matrace kung nasa saan si Senador Bato kapag ginamit niya yung online participation?
Hello. Right now, we have technologies that I cannot divulge publicly, but we have technologies to track down people, ano. And other than that, we have counterparts who already helping us also for the tracking, not only of Senator Bato, but all other personalities who are fugitive from justice, ano.
Sige po, rephrase ko ang tanong ko. So, you are eagerly waiting for his online participation?
Well, as a matter of procedure sa Senate, and I'm speaking not as a director but as a lawyer, I think I have to agree with Comsia, no, that when you're a judge, you have to examine the behavior of a witness. I don't think it will be